Makaraan ang 10 araw matapos ang kanyang pagkapanalo bilang Miss Multinational Philippines 2024, inabangan kahapon July 29 ang homecoming ni Nikki Benafe. Siya ang naging kinatawan ng Pangasinan at isa sa mga finalist ng Miss World Philippines 2024. Dito, binati siya at pinasalamatan ni First Spouses League of Pangasinan at Limgas na Pangasinan Chairperson Maan Tuazon Gico sa nauwing korona para sa probinsya.
From the bottom of my heart, I wish to express the deepest gratitude to Nikki for representing Pangasinan and for bringing home the crown as Miss Multinational Philippines 2024. I would like to thank you, Nikki. Good luck on your next journey. Pangasinan is proud of you. Let us give her a round of applause.
First, like to thank Mama Ann for supporting me. I always tell her she's like an older sister. She guides me, she protects me, and makes sure that whatever path that I choose to take is the right path for the right reasons. And she makes sure that the people that I'm with are also the right people, and I'm like an ate talaga. So a very beautiful one, of course. and also through that, she was able to gather the support of the whole Pangasinan for me to rally on my Miss World journey. And because of her, I have now the Miss Multinational crown.
Ginawaran din siya ng pamahalaang panlalawigan ng Plaque of Recognition at resolution mula sa pamahalaang panlalawigan ng Pangasinan at ng sangguniang panlalawigan.
Inayos natin yung Limgas, anchored sa ating battle cry na Pangasinan ang galing. So lahat ng gagawin dapat magaling at maganda with quality. So yan ang naipapakita naman that the success of Nikki is start of the trust of the province of producing quality candidates and executing quality programs. So we'll sit down with of course the whole team, of course the First Spouses League. Upuan po natin kasi this is the first for us din, di ba? No, in Pangasinan. So we're very excited about it.
Matapos ang kanyang pagkapanalo, naghanda naman si Nikki bilang kinatawan ng Pilipinas sa pagsabak nito sa Miss Multinational 2024 na gaganapin sa bansang India sa buwan ng Disyembre.
It's going to be on December, Miss Multinational 2024. It's in the talks, but it's most probably on December. I'm excited to go there and showcase the beautiful culture of the Philippines, mostly Pangasinan's culture there in India, because I'm sure that once they see it, they're gonna love it.
Given this life-changing opportunity to be the next queen of Pangasinan.
Samantala, tubong Benmali Pangasinan naman si Nikki. Bago nito, nauna niyang nasungkit ang titulong Limgas na Pangasinan World sa Limgas na Pangasinan 2023 at isa din siya sa mga host ng magazine show na Ganda Mo Pangasinan ng RNG Luzon. Valerie Dismaya para sa Luzon Headlines.